It is not Flower Friday. It's tips and tricks or exercises that you could do to clean up or level up your flower game. First exercise, spinning the poi while my arm is straight. If you want to add a little something, when you cross a cardinal point, you can switch direction. And if you would like to complicate it a little more, you can just say hi. By doing that, you are using your other hand. And while you're doing that, it's making dissociation in the brain, like one side will do something and the other will do another thing. I would like to make sure that the poi is staying in that position, like he's forward towards the camera. And when I will turn, I will make sure that the poi stay at that place. And you can play with both sides. Other exercise, the switchy. Here, I would like to put one hand in front and the other in front. One, the other, one, the other, one, the other, one, the other. And I do have another place right here that I can work on it. You will have to bend a little the plane. We don't really care about circle, just going up, to down, to up, to down. And then when I cross a cardinal point, I can switch over. My objective is just to clean my plane. Here is a really nice one for warming up. Whenever I cross to a cardinal point, my arm or only one of my arm can switch and it will do a new kind of flower. I can go to wheel plane or I can go to wall plane one. Play with that. Try to use as many elements as you could. Like here, I'm in water, but what happens if I'm in fire? And let's try to figure out, can I keep that relation between the wrist and between my arm that just go here, or they could change. So whenever I cross a cardinal point, it's the moment that my poi could do something other. Try to touch the bicep or the shoulder, or it's just the idea of trying to touch here. I know that my poi will be straight. When I'm here, try to almost touch here. Try to almost touch. If I'm straight up, try to almost touch. You could use a wall. It's really nice, and I can play with that. I saw many people having shoulder injuries, and it could be nice to warm up the shoulder. I was a physical education teacher before, and I've done a lot of research into how the body reacts to a couple of things and how he will build or what is his weakness. And there is one of the weakness here. This is the rotator cuff. The rotator cuff is one of the main muscles that will stabilize the shoulder. Whenever you're doing rotation, like my wrist is here, he will go in rotation to the exterior. What could you do? Just take a towel and do like this. Try to put your elbow in the inside and work with that. Or I can try to just do like so. When I'm going to the gym, I do have just a towel and do like this with the towel and try to make sure to open my ribs or my cage thoracique in French, and it will be helpful for me to do all other exercises with the shoulder. And it could be nice to protect your shoulder from time.